Oh, this is how we have Dutch of glass. Pass to begin down on the inside. My sweet Swanee, maximum exposure. Exquisite, then followed by Zalasam Imperial Story. And Thunder is the early trailer. We have Dutch of glass by about 2 lengths. My sweet Swanee in second. Maximum exposure is racing in third. Imperial Story moving up by the Exquisite. Thunder second as and Zalazam trails the field. We have Touch of Glass by about 2.5 lengths. My Sweet Swanee in second. Then here comes Exquisite. Now trying to get closer in third. Maximum exposure in fourth. Then comes Imperial Story, Thunder and Zalazam. And it's still Touch of Glass by about 3 lengths. My Sweet Swanee in second. And in third still is Exquisite. Maximum exposure moving up Imperial Story, Thunder and Salasam as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Touch of Glass by about 4 lengths. My Sweet Swanee moving up on the outside now is Thunder together with Exquisite Imperial Story. But it's still Touch of Glass by about 5 lengths. And finally Touch of Glass. Second, My Sweet Swanee, Thunder.
1-6-2. Yan ang datingan natin. Unofficial po, as expected,